Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make one of my favorite frostings. It's a light and airy whipped cream stabilized with gelatin. Unlike the unstabilized version, stabilized whipped cream is sturdy enough to be used for piping designs or for use as filling in cakes just like this fresh strawberry cake roll. You can find this recipe on my blog. Let's get started. First, you'll need water in a heat-proof glass, chilled beaters and a chilled bowl, granulated sugar, unflavored gelatin, and chilled cream. I'll put the exact measurements in the description box below. Place the water in the heat-proof cup and sprinkle gelatin on top to bloom. Wait 5 minutes or until it swells and becomes solid. Place the cup in a small saucepan filled with simmering water. Once the gelatin becomes liquid, take it out of the water and let it cool on the counter. Immediately start beating the cream and sugar in a stand mixer fitted with the chilled bowl. Whip on medium speed and then increase to medium-high. Check on the gelatin. It should no longer be hot but still runny. If it has become solid again, place it back in the hot water until just melted. Once the beaters leave tracks in the cream, pour the gelatin into the bowl slowly and steadily. Aim for the area in between the whisk and the bowl. If desired, now is the time to add extract and food color before the cream becomes stiff. Do not over whip it. You can see that the beaters will start to leave large ridges inside the cream. This change happens very quickly, so be ready to stop the mixer once you see this change. You can now use this sturdy, stabilized whipped cream to assemble cool desserts immediately. Check out my original blog post to learn more about how to store this cream and how to fix it if it starts to separate. I'll put the link below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.